I'm Rahul Bhalera, working as a zonal sales manager with Lifetech Scientific. My colleague Shenbaga and Shivam. So basically, Lifetech Scientific is like Shenzhen-based global MNC. We are operating around the 120 countries across the globe. As a company, we are like dealing in three segments. One is like congenital heart disease, where we are like leader in the world. We do have like three generation devices: ASD, PDA, and we are the only company who has helped our Indian doctor to introduce like our Indian research on the global platform, that is like Konar MFO. The device is designed by our Indian doctor, Dr. Nageshwara Koneti. The device is like predominantly used for to close the perimembranous VSDs, paravalvular leaks, as well as some couple of tubular PDAs. So this is something about our congenital heart disease, where we are a leader. Second portfolio, we have like endovascular stent graft, where we have like thoracic aortic aneurysm graft, and then abdominal aortic aneurysm graft, curved stent graft, and AUI graft, as well as we have vascular plug, IVC filter, full star sheets. Apart from that, like we have two products for the like stroke prevention portfolio. Where do we have Lambre? It's left atrium appendage occluder device, and PFO. So the PFO device which we have introduced in India, it's like Seraflex. It's a third generation PFO device, which is really helping us to close like PFO defects across the globe. Thank you so much for this.